Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your name in Roblox. Roblox actually offers two different types of names you can modify: your display name and your username. Your display name is the one most people see, and the good news is you can change it for free once every 7 days. This makes it super easy to update your identity without any cost. Let's dive into the specifics of how to do this. Changing your display name is a straightforward process. First, log into your Roblox account and navigate to your settings. You'll find a section specifically for your display name. Simply click on the edit icon, type in the new name you'd like to use, and then save your changes. Remember, you can do this once every 7 days without spending any Robux, allowing for frequent updates to your visible identity. Now, changing your username is a bit different. This is your unique identifier on Roblox, and altering it comes with a fee. To do this, head back to your settings and look for the username field. When you choose to change it, you'll be prompted to pay 1,000 Robux. This change is permanent, so make sure you are absolutely certain about your new username before confirming the transaction. Before you finalize any name changes, keep a few important points in mind. While your display name is what others primarily see, your username is your unique account ID. Changing your username is a permanent action and costs 1,000 Robux, so choose wisely. Always ensure your new names adhere to Roblox's community standards to avoid any issues. Plan your changes carefully for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.